Which synonym belongs to festive? The correct answer is feastful. Which synonym belongs to unique? The correct answer is sui generis. Which synonym belongs to gig? The correct answer is Leicester. Which synonym belongs to odious? The correct answer is contemptible. Which synonym belongs to mercenary? The correct answer is venal. Which synonym belongs to alimony? The correct answer is maintenance. Which synonym belongs to shibboleth? The correct answer is platitude. Which synonym belongs to indentation? The correct answer is indent. Which synonym belongs to minion? The correct answer is follower. Which synonym belongs to pair? The correct answer is peel. Which synonym belongs to impassive? The correct answer is phlegmatic. Which synonym belongs to meager? The correct answer is paltry. Which synonym belongs to plumage? The correct answer is pennage. Which synonym belongs to asymmetric? The correct answer is unsymmetrical. Which synonym belongs to singular? The correct answer is extraordinary. Which synonym belongs to paean? The correct answer is hymn. Which synonym belongs to fortuitous? The correct answer is incidental. Which synonym belongs to forego? The correct answer is come before. Which synonym belongs to idiom? The correct answer is dialect. Which synonym belongs to bode? The correct answer is for show.